Hey everybody, Dave Mason here with the Dave Mason Real Estate Group, and today I'm going to touch on the stats that were just released for the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board for the month of April and what it means to you as a seller or a buyer, and my take on what is going to happen here in the market in the next 3 months. Now, as far as the stats go, we saw the sales dip below the 10-year average for the first time in 2 years. We were hectic for 2 years, and now we're starting to see things kind of balance out. And the reason for that, in my opinion, well, it's twofold. I think the first reason is the fact that we are seeing much more inventory in the market, therefore giving buyers more selection, and they are not jumping on the first home that they see. They're actually taking their time with this, knowing that they're going to be more inventory, more options on the market the following week, so they're not feeling like they have the fear of missing out. Basically, the FOMO, it has left the market. And the second thing is, I think these interest rates are playing a little bit of a factor in there. There are buyers that I'm speaking to that feel that the more interest rate hikes that they see, the more prices will continue to drop, so they're going to be in the sidelines waiting, they said. And some people are just a little bit scared of what's going to happen in general. They're thinking a collapse in the market or a complete kind of bubble is going to bust, which I don't agree with, and I'll touch on that in a second. And as far as what I feel what's going to happen here in the next couple of months, well, I do feel we are going to get significantly slower. And the reason being is, well, there's much more inventory for buyers to select from, so I don't think sales are going to be as rampant as they were before. And we're running into summer, and this is the first summer in a few years that we can actually travel outside of Canada. So I do feel that a lot of people are going to take advantage of that and taking longer vacations in the summer. Therefore, we're going to see a lot longer days on market. So if you are a buyer, well, that's good news for you. There's going to be some balance restored and some opportunities for you as a buyer for the first time in, well, about 2 years or more. And then if you're a seller, what does that mean? Well, you know what? You need to price, and you need to price sharp. You have to price where the last sale was, in my opinion, and you cannot expect multiples. So I feel it is best to price your home at what you are happy with and market it that way. The day of underlisting the house, you know, even just by a smidge and getting over asking, that is starting to really not happen as often anymore. It's very, very few and far between. It is dependent on the product and the area, but even then it's not always happening. So I think you need to set your expectations when you speak to your realtor, come up with a plan that you're happy with, and look at the comparables, see the true market value, and be happy with that number. If you have any questions about the real estate market, love to hear them. Drop a comment in here on this video and let me know what you think. If you like this content, please do me a big favor and subscribe. Once again, Dave Mason with the Dave Mason Real Estate Group. Thanks for watching, and take care.